Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and today we're gonna be taking a look at the 2018 MacBook Pro 13-inch, and I'm also gonna show you guys a couple of accessories that you're probably going to need for you to get started when you actually go and buy this specific Mac. So let's go and unbox. We're going to start by unboxing the Mac, and we're gonna then try and unboxing the accessories, which I got obviously from Takealot. As you guys know, I like buying things from Takealot, and it took me I think a day for them to arrive, and I was already expecting the Mac, so we have them both here and we're just going to unbox this guy. So for this specific Mac, at least the new ones, you don't really need an unboxing knife. There should be a pull tab somewhere here, and okay, there's no pull tab, so I'm gonna have to use the unboxing knife to actually be able to do this. So let's cut off the plastic first. Obviously this is what we have to do first to get inside the bag. If you guys can tell, I'm really excited because this is going to be my first MacBook Pro that I'm going to be unboxing, and obviously if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a like and you subscribe. Also hit that notification bell button so you guys can get notified when I upload a video, since YouTube sometimes forgets to put these videos on some people's notification box. So join the notification squad and you're gonna be ready to go. So this, as I said, is going to be my first MacBook unboxing, so let's just go through it. And it's opening. It's opening. Come on. And we're inside. So there we go. This is the 13-inch MacBook Pro without touch bar. The one with the touch bar is gonna be a little bit more expensive than this one. That's why this option was taken. So inside the box, obviously you have the actual MacBook. Is actually really thin. I'm gonna make another comparison video with the old ones that I have there. If you guys wanna see that video, make sure you leave a comment down below, and I'm gonna get that video started after I do this one for you guys. So inside the box, you're gonna have the thin MacBook Pro 13-inch. You're going to have the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable, and you're going to have your startup guide, which we do not read unless you're off camera obviously, and you're going to have the adapter. Now this is not a South African MacBook Pro, so you're going to be getting an international adapter, which you can actually change later if you actually buy this thing not in the country. And then you have the new MacBook charger, which takes USB-C here. You can actually use also this guy to charge the iPhone if you want to have a quick charge on the iPhone. So this is all that you're going to get on the box, and that's it. So behind the box you would have some of the specs. I'm gonna put more specs somewhere here for you guys that love specs, but just to give you guys a breakdown, this is a MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is a 2018 model. It's the silver. It's a 2.3 gigahertz processing power. It's an 8 gig and it's 128 GB of SSD. So this is actually the base model of this specific Mac. So we done that. Let's see how it looks inside by actually removing the plastic on the Mac. Oh, this, they say it's satisfying, but sometimes I really don't understand what's so satisfying about peeling a plastic, but I guess you're gonna have to actually do it for you to know how satisfying it is. So the MacBook Pro 13-inch comes with two USB ports on the side, USB-C, and it has a 3.5 headphone jack here on the other side, and that's it for ports. So we're going to open it up for the first time. It should actually boot automatically as soon as you open the MacBook up, and it's up. Let's just remove the plastic that covers the screen to protect, and it's booting. So this is what you will get. Obviously, as I said, this is the non-touch bar version, so you would have the buttons there. So let's close it up, and now I'm going to show you guys what you guys going to need for you to get started in terms of accessory, because this guy, as you guys saw, it takes USB-C. So if you're using an iPhone, you won't be able to charge an iPhone without an adapter. That's just something you guys need to know. And obviously also if you use SD cards to transfer files to your MacBook, as I use the SD card from this camera here, and I'm gonna have to transfer this video or the footage later on to the MacBook to be able to edit, I'm going to need an adapter for that as well. So basically you're gonna start living what they call the dongle life. You're gonna need the dongle for anything. So let's see now what's inside this accessory box, which, as I mentioned, we got it from Takealot. So jumping in quick inside the actual box. Hopefully there isn't any addresses showing. I removed all of them. Okay, yeah, so we're safe. Okay, so this is one of the accessories. I hope this is the right color. This is going to be your SDTF card plus USB 2.0 hub. So you're going to have a USB hub here, and you're also going to have the SD card reader on this one. And then the second dongle I got is just a USB 2.0 to USB-C adapter for when I only want to charge an iPhone. So let me just go through to it and show you guys exactly what's inside. So this is a quick unboxing of the dongles. So this is the USB 3.0 to USB-C. It feels like it's metal. I hope it's not plastic. Yeah, no, this is definitely plastic. So this one is made out of plastic. Now let's check the other one. This is the SD card adapter, which I'm gonna mostly use to transfer the videos that I shoot from the camera to the laptop. So if I can actually get through to this guy and show you guys what's inside, and just clean the table a little bit. And it's actually hard to open, but we're gonna get through this. Okay, that's maybe when we use the knife and cut it open. That's why we have the unboxing knife. If you guys actually didn't know the story behind this unboxing knife, one of you guys actually sent this unboxing knife to me as a gift. Now, I'm not saying you guys must send me gift, I'm just saying this is where this unboxing knife comes from. Since then, I haven't bought any other because this one actually does the job. And again, thank you for sending this to me. Okay, so this is the USB-C dongle. I actually wasn't expecting this color. I remember I had gotten a silver, but it's still going to do the job. So this is a base used USB-C to SD card and USB 2.0 adapter. I'm going to try and link these accessories on the description so you guys can go and check it out, and maybe link also the laptop. So for you to get started, these are the things you're going to need. You're going to need a USB-C to USB 2.0 adapter for you to charge your devices or connecting any other USB devices that uses this, and you're going to use the USB-C to SD card and USB. Actually, it has two USB ports, one in the back and one on the side, and you have the USB mini, the SD card mini, if I'm not mistaken, and you have the normal large one. So yeah, so this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna check you guys on my next video, which is gonna be very soon. Peace.